Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to search using files in Perplexity AI. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to search using files. Well, right here this is the interface, and from here I can simply ask everything. I can set the focus, I can enable the pro mode, but right now what we're gonna focus on is this attach button. As you can see, if I click on it, I can attach text or PDF files. I'm simply gonna click on it and attach a file right now. Well, from here as you can see, I have selected a file. Now I'm simply gonna hit on open, and guys, as you can see, it is being uploaded. Once it's uploaded, you can simply type anything from here and hit on search. I'm gonna type it right now. As you can see, I have typed it, so I'm simply gonna hit on search. As you can see, I have received the answer. This is it guys. This is how we search using files or PDF in Perplexity AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.